What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Davita. If you are looking to upgrade your hair care tools, this video is for you. I am featuring two products from Tideway today. Listen, I just got a puppy and he will not let me live. He is constantly up under me. But I know, y'all, he is so cute. But yes, let's get right into this video. Y'all, let's get ready to do my hair with some featured products in this video. I am Davita, Miss Vida, and we are here and ready to do my hair. And yeah, it needs to be done. I have already washed my hair and it's kind of air drying right now, so I'm trying to go ahead so I can use the first product on hand, which is a hair dryer by Tideway, and I have been wanting to try this product, and here we are. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this package and see what's inside. Okay, this is nice, y'all. So here we go. We have the packaging. And this is how it looks. So it's kind of with a ball. You're supposed to test this with the blow dryer. We're going to give it a test. And then here we are. Like, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, this is nice. It comes with a cord. And these are your on and off buttons. This is your, I'm not sure what this button is, but when we cut them on, we're gonna see. We're gonna find out together. But yes, right now, I want to say this may be the on button. These are your different levels of frequency. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, this is paper. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, that's so shiny. Girl, I got the paper on up here. Like, it comes in a wrapper. So we just got to get this paper off. Okay, nice packaging. Because I would have left that on. I ain't gonna even lie, I didn't even notice it. This product that we're going to do, and then I'm going to actually curl my hair with the Tideway curling iron. So I'm really eager to see how this works. I've been seeing y'all use this curling iron and I get a chance to use it myself. Here's the attachment and here's your blow dryer. And y'all, look, it just goes right on. Yeah, so I am going to use this hair dryer and this brush to kind of blow dry my hair out. This is how you turn it on. So here, you just cut it on to the setting. That's high, medium, and off. So there's no in between the low and the high. It's just, I know I said medium, but it's just high and off and low. Okay. The low even got some kick to it. I ain't gonna even lie. And look, I like how it lights up to show you the V setting. So I'm still not sure what this button is. Okay. So yes, it changes. This button changes from hot to cool. That's what it feels like. Okay, so this just changes from the temperature. Okay, so we got it on. Yo, I see you, Tideway. Y'all, this hair dryer got some power to it. You might be interested in this. This here, yeah. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready to blow dry my hair out. So I am gonna part in sections. So again, I'm parting in sections because I'm gonna use this blow dry to try to get my hair as straight as possible. before going in with the Tideway curling iron. So these cards don't have to be completely in line or straight or whatever. I'm just parting in sections to get it done. I'm gonna start with the front. Alright, so I am using some Heat Protected by G. Okay. Spray that on in very well. Get it all in there. It's dry. It was still damp. It wasn't fully wet, but it was damp. Same thing. Heat protected. Get the right on in there. Really good. Just get that in there really, really good. I just blew my glasses over in the sink, but that's alright. Okay. How y'all feeling? I'm moving pretty fast though. I am not gonna lie, because normally, I'm gonna be honest with you, I feel like I'll still be trying to blow down my hair in a sense of trying to get it straight how I want it, but we are moving pretty fast. We all know, like, this hair dryer with other brands, they are a little pricey, but this one here was pretty reasonable. I want to say it was originally like $89, $84, but it is on sale right now on this link. So I don't know how much longer it's gonna be on sale, but it is on sale right now. I am into hair products. I love hair products. I have 3 heads to do, 8, 9, and me. And anything that's gonna cut my time in half, we doing it. Okay, so yeah. And I've always wanted one of those expensive hair dryers like this, and I'm not gonna lie, I have tried them. It was not mine, but it's giving the same vibe. So yeah, remember that. Save that for later. All right, y'all, so let's get to this side before this protected hair dries. I'm just blowing everything off the camera, like, pause. This thing has got some power behind it. Wow. So see, I'm working more with the clip part. Y'all, I wish y'all could see it. Like, my vanity in my bathroom is so junky, but I'm like blowing it. I got a lot of shit around here, and I'm making a heat protectant for this top part. dryer is the truth. Do you hear me? Like, I'm about to style this. Let's get right into. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair fully blown dried using the Tideway hair dryer, and now we are about to get into this Tideway curling iron. Okay, so let's crack this bad boy right on open. Here is the step-by-step guide. So Tideway also not only send you the curling iron, here's the curling iron. Okay, this is pretty cute. Tideway even sends you a comb in the box and some clips. Okay, yes, these are very useful, and so is a rat tail comb. Alright, so right away it beeped when I plugged it in. So here we are going to just power it on, and it goes from 330 Fahrenheit all the way up to 410. So this here, so pressing it this way curls your hair backwards maybe, and then I will assume this here if you want the curls to come towards your face. Another thing about this curling iron, if you're not good at curling your hair or getting the perfect curl, this curls your hair for you. And it has this protective shield, so you're not going to burn yourself while curling your hair. You're going to place your hair inside of here, and it's going to curl on this metal plate, okay?
So this is me here just trying out the automatic curling iron on my freshly blown out hair. And although the curls did turn out bomb, this is New Year's Eve, me recording this video. So I did have events lined up for later on that evening. And I just wanted to go ahead and flat iron my hair so it'll last a few days. And then I'm going to test the automatic curling iron on my freshly flat iron hair.
Worth my time and wear it for a couple of days. Okay, test these roots out some so it can last a few days longer. And no, I'm not using any hair products on my hair other than what you saw me use when I was blow drying the hair. And I will be spraying just this keratin shine once I'm done.
Okay, we are done flat ironing my hair, and it ain't nothing like a good old press out on some freshly washed hair. At this point, y'all, my puppy was over it. He had woke up from a nap and was looking for me, and yes, he found me. I know this dog is like, I went to sleep with you doing your hair, and I'm waking up to you doing your hair. Like, what are you doing? But here he is. He has to make his camo, so say hello. Say hello, Rilo. Okay, lastly, let's get into these curls. So what I noticed about this automatic curling iron is that I noticed that the smaller the sections and the longer you let the hair sit in on the plate, the tighter the curl got with straight hair. Whereas if you could see previously when I did it on my freshly blown out hair, it curled instantly. So yes, as you can see, the straighter the hair, the more loose the curls will be. But if you want your hair to sit on the hot plate longer, you can get more of a tighter curl. Listen, y'all, it's the puppy for me. Like, he just started making all kinds of noises right below my feet. So yeah, I like this curling iron. I normally wear my hair in a tousle when I wear it straight anyway. So this is the vibe that I'm getting with this curling iron. I do know, of course, if, like I told you guys, if I do hold it on the plate longer, it will give a tighter curl. But we all know curls fall, especially with straight hair. So here is a clip of me actually holding the plate hair on the plate a little bit longer, and as you can see, that curl is a little bit more defined. So yeah. So overall, this is a great tool to have in your collection. Here I am just putting the finishing touches on, and yeah, we about done. Okay now, y'all, she is feeling herself for New Year's Eve. She is about to hit these streets with her family. So if you enjoyed these products, you can find them in the description, and you can also shop them with the link provided. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.